Hello. Welcome to Listen to English AR. 1. Listen to the story without translation. 2. Listen to the story again with the translation turned on. 3. Answer some questions. Anna lives in a small town in Italy. Today, she is going to the market to buy food and flowers. She is happy because she loves the market. Anna grabs her basket and goes outside. The sun is shining and the air smells nice. Anna is excited to start shopping. First, Anna goes to the fruit and vegetable stall. The seller is a man named Marco.
Hello, Marco. How much are the apples?
Anna says.
The apples are €2 per kilogram.
Marco says.
I'll take 1 kilogram, please.
Anna says. Marco weighs the apples.
That will be €2.
He says. Anna gives Marco €2.
Thank you.
Anna says. Next, Anna buys carrots.
How much are the carrots?
The carrots are €1.50 per kilogram.
The seller answers.
I'll take half a kilogram, please.
Anna says. Anna hands him the money.
Thank you. These will be great in my soup.
With her fruits and vegetables in her basket, Anna walks to the next stall where there are flowers. 2 young girls are selling colorful flowers. The flowers are bright and beautiful, with red, yellow, and pink petals.
How much are the flowers?
Anna asks.
1 bouquet is €3.
Says one girl.
I'll take 1 bouquet, please.
Anna says. Anna gives the girls €3.
Thank you. These flowers will look nice in my house.
Now Anna goes to the bakery. The smell of fresh bread fills the air. There are fresh breads and croissants. Anna picks up a baguette.
I'll take 1 baguette, please.
Anna says. The baker says.
That will be €2.
Anna gives the baker €2.
Thank you. I can't wait to eat this with my soup.
Anna's basket is full. She walks home, happy with her food and flowers. She walks down the sunny street, feeling happy. The market was so fun today, and she is excited to relax. At home, Anna puts the flowers in a vase. She makes coffee and sits down in her chair. She drinks her coffee and relaxes.
Today was simple, but it made me so happy. The little things really make life special.
Anna thinks with a smile. Don't forget to rewatch the video with subtitles turned on to improve your understanding and language skills.
Now we will listen to 3 simple questions to check your understanding of the story, and then we will review some vocabulary. Try to answer these questions in the comments. 1. What does Anna buy at the fruit and vegetable stall? 2. How much are the apples per kilogram? 3. Where does Anna live?
Town, town.
Market, market.
Stall, stall.
Bakery, bakery. Baker, baker.
Bread, bread.
Seller, seller.
Buy, sell, sell.
How much? How much?
Price, price.
Money, money.
Give,
Basket,
basket. Weighs, weighs.
fruits, fruits. apples, apples, vegetables, vegetables,
carrots, carrots, food, food, make, make, soup, soup, warm, warm, fresh, fresh, bouquet, bouquet,
flowers, flowers, colorful, colorful, smell,
smell,
beautiful, beautiful,
sun, sun,
sunny,
sunny, bright, bright,
shiny,
shiny, air, air, things, things,
street, street,
walk, walk, sit, sit,
relax, relax,
take, take, think, think, grab, grab,
life, life, simple, simple, perfect, perfect, excited,
excited, special, special, today, today, because,
because.
with.
Great job, everyone! You've learned some useful vocabulary today. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.